Ever pondered about the future of diesel generators? In a world where we constantly strive for cleaner, more sustainable energy sources, what role will these powerhouses play? It's time to dive into the realm of diesel generators, exploring the technology, the brands, and the future. MTU, a brand that stands tall in the world of diesel generators, is known for its robust, reliable, and efficient products. Their Series 4000 generator sets, for instance, are a testament to their engineering prowess, showcasing a perfect blend of power and fuel efficiency. Yet it's not just about the hardware. MTU's advanced digital solutions ensure optimal performance, with remote monitoring and diagnostics playing a key role. On the other hand, CAT, another titan in the industry, brings to the table a rich heritage and a diverse product lineup. Their C15 diesel generator sets, for example, are renowned for their durability and low operating costs. Caterpillar's emphasis on customer support and services is a defining factor, setting them apart from many competitors. Kohler, with its century-long history, has carved a niche for itself with its focus on design and innovation. Their KD series generators, powered by an advanced diesel engine, are a testament to their commitment to providing powerful, reliable, and clean energy solutions. Let's not forget Cummins, a brand synonymous with quality and reliability. Their QSK 95 series generators, with their high power density and fuel efficiency, are a testament to their technical expertise. Cummins' commitment to sustainability is noteworthy, with their products designed for lower emissions and better environmental compatibility. Generac, while perhaps not as well known as some of its competitors, offers a range of diesel generators that are both powerful and reliable. Their Guardian series, for example, is known for its quiet operation and long run times, making it a popular choice for residential and small business applications. Lastly, there's Detroit Diesel, a brand that has been at the forefront of diesel technology for over 8 decades. Their Series 60 generators are known for their durability, performance, and fuel efficiency, showcasing the brand's commitment to quality and innovation. In summary, diesel generators continue to play a vital role in our energy landscape. Brands like MTU, CAT, Kohler, Cummins, Generac, and Detroit Diesel are pushing the boundaries of what's possible, innovating and evolving to meet the demands of the future. From advanced digital solutions to improved fuel efficiency and lower emissions, these brands are not just adapting to the changing times, but are shaping the future of diesel generators. So while the world moves towards more sustainable energy sources, diesel generators are far from becoming obsolete. They continue to power our world, providing reliable, efficient, and increasingly cleaner energy. It's clear that the future of diesel generators is not just about survival, but about evolution and innovation.